Excellent opportunities for freshers who are looking to build their career in Python development. Then Deccan AI is hiring for freshers who come with good understanding of Python. So if you fall under this requirement, this category, kindly go ahead and apply. And the requirements are primarily someone whose bachelor is from computer science background or engineering background from primarily with IT or AI or machine learning or computer science. BTech or BE, anything is feasible, or even your general bachelor's with computer science background is also workable, but needed a very good understanding of Python development. For example, understanding of data types, OOPs, exceptions, file handling, and all those. Familiarity with at least one Python framework is mandatory, and knowledge of databases such as MySQL, MongoDB, and is also a part of requirement. So if you are someone who is a good you have a good understanding of Python, and you have done some small internships or done with some primarily some sort of development which is live and you can show on the interview process, then you are good fit for this role. Go ahead and apply for this position. I'll be sharing the link and all the details in the description, and also connect with the hiring manager, Vrushali. Vrushali Mahajan is a concerned person who's hiring for this position. Kindly go ahead and connect with her. Apart from this, there are a couple of other roles which I'm personally hiring on, and they are on non-IT. If you know someone who can speak Tamil, primarily a Tamil speaking candidate who's looking for job on sales, customer support, collections, then you're good fit for this position. Work location will be Banjara Hills, Hyderabad, and this is for one of the largest financial services in Hyderabad. I'll be sharing both the links on the description. Kindly share with your friends, with your contacts who are looking for opportunities. I wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye.